taon ang lumipas bago tayong muling nagharap. May mga salitang naiwan, mga sugat na ayaw nang buksan. Bakit ang layo ng kahapon kung nandito ka na ngayon? Sa bawat luha, sa bawat tanong, may sagot bang kayang bumuo? Sa pagitan natin may pusong naghihintay, sa pagitan ng galit at mga alaala. Kung kaya kong balikan ang araw na nawala, hahawakan kita, hindi na bibitaw pa. Kahit maraming sakit ang kailangang harapin, baka may pag-ibig pang natira sa atin. Hindi madaling kalimutan ang mga gabing puno ng dahilan, pero sa likod ng bawat galit, may batang naghihintay na mapansin. Kung hindi na natin mababago ang nakaraan, pwede ba nating simulan ang bukas? Hindi man perpekto, hindi man tulad noon, pipiliin kitang kilalanin ngayon. Sa pagitan natin unti-unting nawawala ang mga salitang matagal nang nakabara. Kung may tahanan pa para sa ating dalawa, baka ngayon na ang simula.
This is OST Obsession, your daily dose of music. Today you heard an original track inspired by the movie This, That and Everything in Between. The track is called S.A. Pagaton Natan. The film follows Joanne, a successful television writer whose carefully rebuilt life is shaken when her estranged mother, Paz, suddenly returns. After years apart, their reunion brings buried pain, painful secrets, resentment, and the complicated wounds of a family that never truly healed. As mother and daughter are forced to confront their shared past, they must navigate the fragile space between anger, love, forgiveness, and the possibility of finding their way back to each other. Starring Jody Santa Maria and Agot Isidro, this Filipino drama explores family, abandonment, reconciliation, and the things left unsaid between the people we love most. This, That and Everything in Between premieres officially on August 13, 2026, and will be available to stream on Netflix. Sometimes, the hardest distance isn't measured in miles, it's measured in years. This is OST Obsession, where every story